Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. So student, today we are going to learn unit first 6th lesson make words. In last lesson we studied about alphabets and their phonic sound. In this lesson we are going to learn how to make words from given alphabet using vowel sound. So student, we all know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. These vowel sounds we use to make words. So first vowel is A and A's phonic sound is A. तो आज हम A से A vowel साउंड को लेकर कुछ वर्ड्स बनाएंगे. सो first you see here are given one box and in this box there are 3 columns. In first columns there are some letters, some alphabets: B, C, F, P, V. These are the alphabets in first column, and second column there is A, and third column is Yan. So student, first of all we make words by using one alphabet from first column. So B's phonic sound is B. B's phonic sound is B. Then A's phonic sound is A, and third one is Yan. Yan phonic sound is Na. So B-A-N, ban. B-A-N, ban. Here I write B-A-N, ban. Next letter is C. C में हमें A-N ऐड करना है, तो C-A-N, can. C's phonic sound is K. A's phonic sound A, and N's phonic sound is Na. So C-A-N, can. Which word is formed? C-A-N, can. Then F phonic sound is F. A phonic sound is A, and N phonic sound is Na. So student, F-A-N, fan. Which word form from F-A-N? Fan. Okay. So next alphabet is P, and P's phonic sound is P. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Next and last alphabet in this box is V, and V's phonic sound V. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. These now we see E sound. E vowel sound is A. E's phonic sound is A. So student, here also given one box, and in this box there are 3 columns. In first column there are some letters. Second column is given vowel sound, and third is Yan. Means we have to add En in each letter. So see, first is D. D-E-N, den. D's phonic sound is D, and E-N, N means D-E-N, den. Then H phonic sound is Ha. We have to add En in H. So H-E-N, hen. Then M's phonic sound is Ma, and we have to add En, N. So M-E-N, main. Then P's phonic sound is P. We have to add En. So student, P-E-N, pen. Last letter is T. We have T-E-N, pen. We add En in T. So T-E-N, 10. We use I sound to make words. So what is the I's phonic sound is E. So student, आयन इन से कुछ वर्ड्स बनाने जा रहे हैं. जो फर्स्ट कॉलम में लेटर्स दिए हैं उसमें हम आयन जोड़कर कुछ वर्ड्स बनाएंगे. तो देखो, जैसे फर्स्ट कॉलम में फर्स्ट लेटर है P. P's phonic sound is P. We add ion in P. So P-I-N, pin. Second letter is T. T's phonic sound is T. T-I-N, tin. B. Next letter is B. B's phonic sound B. We add ion in B. So bin, bin. Then F phonic sound is F में हमें आयन मिलाना है, तो आयन लगाकर क्या होगा, F आयन fin. Last letter in this box is W. W's phonic sound is W, and we add in W ion in, so W ion win. Next vowel sound is O, and O's phonic sound is ow. Here we have to take a short sound of O, ow. So student, OW, ow, we have to add in first column letters. So first of all we see first letter B. B's phonic sound B, and we have to add OW, ow. So B plus ow, ba, ow, bow. C's phonic sound is k, and we are going to add OW, ow. C, k, and OW, ow, cow. So COW, cow. Then HOW, how. H phonic sound is h, and OW, ow. HOW, how. Which word made from HOW? How. N phonic sound is na, and we are going to add OW, ow. So na plus ow, so now. NOW, now. And last letter in the box is W. W's phonic sound is W, and OW, ow. So student, WOW, wow. Last vowel is U, and we are going to make words from U sound. So student, what is the phonic sound of U? A, and we add in U N, so UN, un. Okay, so we add this UN in given alphabet in first column and make words. So first letter is in first column is F. F's phonic sound is F, and we add in F UN, so FUN, fun. Then R's phonic sound is R, and we add in R UN, so from these letters make the word RUN, run. Okay, next is yes. Yes phonic sound is S, and we add UN in S, so SUN, sun. Last letter in the box is B. From B's phonic sound we all are knowing B, and B में हम UN ये लेटर्स ऐड करेंगे तो बन जाएगा BUN, bun. Okay. See, here are given one question. Look, listen and underline the odd man out. यहाँ पर मैंने अंडरलाइन नहीं किए, तो वो वर्ड जो ऑड है, जो डिफरेंट है, उसे मैंने अलग लिखा है. So student, here are given some words. We have to find odd man out. So first is BAT, bat, BED, bed, BOAT, boat, HUT, hut. Which is the different from these four words? So hut is different because the rest of three words words start from B, and HUT, hut, start from H. That's why it is different. Next is SUN, sun, LOCK, lock, SACK, sack, SOAP, soap. So lock is different from rest of three. Why it is different? Because rest of the words start from yes, and lock is start from L, so it is different from other words. Next is COCK, cock, CAT, cat, DOG, dog, CLAP, clap. Here also dog is odd man out, odd one is, because dog is start from D and rest of the three are start from C. Fourth is ladder, LADDER, LEAF, leaf. ROSE rose, LEMON lemon. So student, here is different words. Are you guess? Yes, rose. Why it is? Because it R is different from these other three words. Why it is different? Because other three start from L and it is start from R. Okay, very good. So fifth word is KEY key, POT pot, PEN pen, PURSE purse, PURSE purse. So key is different from others because key is start from K and others start from P. Okay. Sixth question is TOP top, TOY toy, AXE X, TREE tree. Are you guessing which one is odd man out? Yes, X is odd man out. It is start from A and others are start from T. Okay. So student, in this lesson we learn make words from different vowel sound. We have to make only few words. We have to make lot of words from vowel sound. But here we make only some words. So student, I hope this lesson how to make a words from given letters. Thank you and have a nice day.